to install this dash cam for my twin he's in Germany. We're gonna go ahead and put it in his Bronco for him and get it ready for him. I do have to say, Tyler, this is a good looking rig. I feel like right here's a pretty decent spot. Apparently he just wants it placed up for right now until the hardwire kit comes in. So I'm just gonna make things look somewhat decent and dangle. Kind of like somewhere around there. Okay, I know you want it to just dangle, but I know he's recording this, so, but I had to at least make it somewhat look all right. I kind of tucked it up in there and then it'll do. I get to remove all these and you don't. Oh, what the heck? Another one on this one? A cool dash cam. You got your front, your rear, and your interior. I might have to get one of these. Also having problems with the window rolling back up, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up this access panel and look at it for him. Okay, well, I mean, the motor sounds like it's fine and it's doing everything good. I'm looking at all this, it looks like all gunked up, so I think if we clean it and then re-lube it, should do just fine.